Hey, what's up, people? It's your girl Mariana if you're new here, and welcome to my channel where you're allowed to be free and true to yourself. It's a new week, and that means a new painting. So, I'm going to show you how you can paint this beautiful painting of a beach and a bridge. So, stay tuned and enjoy yourself to the fullest. In this video, I'm going to use an 8 by 11 inch piece of canvas. So for this video, I'm going to use turquoise blue for the sky. It's such a cool color, and of late I've been interested with shades of blue and learning about different shades of blue. And turquoise have been one of them that I've enjoyed using and learning more about it. Turquoise, it's a color that really challenge many people. Some people see it as green, others see it as blue. So I think that's why it was named turquoise. And also the word, I don't know if I'm even pronouncing it well. Turquoise, turquoise, I don't know. Yeah, turquoise. Did you know that blue is the favorite color for most people in the world? Yeah, now you know. And it's rarely found in fruits and vegetables. Oh, wow. I wish there was a green tomato or tomato or a blue potato, blue carrot. Yeah, it would be fun. Yeah, and blue is embraced as a color of strength, loyalty, cleanliness, and to some people, it's a color that symbolizes depression. Like in some countries, it symbolizes mourning. When they announce people to wear blue, or maybe their flag, yeah, it symbolizes their mourning. And do you know that 53% of the world flag has blue as one of their color? Yeah, and I wonder why most professional attires are blue. It's so funny. Like I don't know when you see someone wearing cheese sauce, wearing blue. They seem to be serious. You know they do. They know what they are doing in life. Yeah, I don't know why we normally see that. And now I'm adding primary yellow, yeah, to this sky. I wanted my sky to be a bright one. Yeah, it's a new year, new opportunity, new chances. Yeah, it's a happy feeling. So let's have a happy painting. Yeah, so yellow, and also I'll add some shades of orange. Yeah, it's good to know how to mix the colors. Yeah, and because when you mix blue and yellow, you get green. So I didn't want that green effect at the boundary of blue and yellow. So I painted or I added white color onto it. Yeah, so that's why you can see that distinction over there. Yeah, now I'm adding some orange onto the sky. Yeah, it's a happy thing and a happy feeling. As Bob Ross would say, let's add happy clouds and add unto them happy clouds and friends. Yeah, so I'm adding very happy clouds. Yeah, to have that effect of the sky, I added some highlights on the yellow area and blue. Yeah, you can see that happy cloud over there. I know it is very happy. Now let's work on that bridge. And there are things you are never told, or if you are a self-taught artist like I am, like seeing colors or painting something as it is, like the colors that you can see, it's sometimes so hard. Because let's say like mixing these colors so that you can get that texture or that hue, it's quite I think a gift that you must have so that you can see some colors. Um, so for that bridge, I decided to go with that particular color, and I'm telling you, by now I was like, oh no, it was such um uh I think that I discovered because I mixed orange and some blue. Okay, I read somewhere like when you mix complementary colors. Okay, let's say like the color wheel. Let's say like orange, the color that is opposite. Another word for complementary is uh, opposite color. For orange, it's blue, and when you mix orange and blue, you get that color, and then you mix it, and then you add white onto it, you get that particular color that is on that bridge. And for the post is burnt sienna. That was quite easy for me to mix. Yeah, okay. I am a self taught artist, and there are things you are never told, or there are things you'll never learn, or you will have to learn for yourself. Seeing these colors, oh Lord, you need to have that extra eye for you to see that. But anyway, if you decide to be an artist, you must. And you have to see those colors over there. Yeah, so that's the bridge. And now I'm adding the texture, that the burnt sienna itself on that bridge for it to have that vibrant color, ionekane kwamba ni bridge ya ni kama ni bridge ya ukweli kweli. And now here I'm correcting a mistake that I did. I wanted that reflection of the sky to be that vibrant yellow, but oh no, I thought like the other side was also blue, so I decided let me just stick with the blue. Yeah, blue goes. So there are things that you should be careful about. These brush strokes. As you can see, like I'm adding that turquoise dark blue, or we can say dark blue color, and I'm using a flat, no, a round brush. So you can see like at the edge, it shows that this brush is as if it's bending. So it just make sure like how you align your brush stroke, because every brush stroke gives a different, or yeah, a different angle. So how you lay down your brush stroke, make sure it's how you want it to be represented. Yeah, so hivyo ndivyo, maana hiyo place inakaa ni kama imebend that the shadow at the end of that shadow ya bridge, it seems as if it's bending, or we have a wave, but yeah, we don't have a wave there, it's just shadow. And to add onto the ropes, I used white color. Yeah, and because I wanted it to be vibrant and to be noticed, yeah, so I used white color. And I hope you liked the process. If you do, comment below, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not subscribed for more videos. Yeah, and don't forget to share. Yeah, so thank you for the follow up and thank you for the support. Yeah, so let's meet on the next video. Bye bye.